Man, I don't even know where to start, man. All I know is I'm just fed up, you know? It's already the first day of the year, and I'm already fed up. This is crazy. I see people around me, and they look so peaceful in their lives. They look so, like, not happy. I'm not going to say people just look happy, because I understand people are upset, people have things going on, but they just look peaceful in their day-to-day lives. Like, they don't question anything about their reality. It's just like the ignorance is really bliss. And I started to realize once I started going on this journey within that I don't, there's nobody, like, I don't even know how to put this into words, man, but it just seems like I'm the only one existing around here. I'm the only one conscious, damn near. It just seems like everybody's on this script or like program, some type of AI. I don't know. I don't know. It's Twilight Zone. You know? Don't even get me started on relationships and shit like that. Like, like I see. At first, I couldn't understand why I was alone mostly all my life. You know, I'm in my 30s, and I've been alone. I haven't had a serious relationship, a long-term relationship. My longest relationship was maybe 6 months. My whole life, and I see people that they have these long-term relationships. They share their lives with people. Yeah, they have their ups and downs, but it just seems like it's just normal. It's just so normal for them, just to have have somebody next to them. And then I noticed that some people, even when they break up, oh my God, they get another person so fast. It's like, what the fuck? It's like it was just set up for them to just have somebody. And then when I'm looking, I'm like, damn, I wouldn't mind having something like that. It's just like, nope, nope, you can't have it. Nope. You know, it's really heartbreaking. It's really gut wrenching. It's really tormenting on the spirit. You know, like I took time to try to better myself, and like I'm not a unattractive guy. You know, I'm not a I'm a funny guy also, and I have a lot of wisdom. You know, but I just noticed that in this superficial, materialistic, narcissistic world we are living in, it just seems like no matter what you do, well, let me say, no matter what I do, it just seems like nothing outside of me is changing. I know I changed. I used to be ignorant to the things that were around me, the things I seen, you know, the things people did to me. I used to be ignorant to that stuff. But then, I realized that I wanted to make a change externally. So the advice I got was to change yourself internally. So now I changed all these perspectives in my mind. I changed all types of way of living. I started living better. I'm more healthier. I am better in those aspects of life now. But it just seems like, was it all in vain? You know what I'm saying? Like, I could have just stayed ignorant. It's like the guy from the Matrix, the guy that was plugged out of the Matrix. And then he said, I want to go back in. He said, if I knew it was like this, I would have stayed, you know? And it's it's like, it's like I bettered myself and I'm just more isolated than ever. You know? And it's not like I don't try to put myself out there. Like, you know, I'm on the dating apps, you know, I go out, you know. I don't really do the cold approach as much on women, you know. I like a woman to approach me, you know, if she's interested. But that is not happening nowadays, you know, especially where I'm from. You know, I live on the East Coast and that's not happening out here where I'm from. You know, I've been to other places. I've been to California on the West Coast, and like, I don't know, those women over there, those are some really friendly women. I ain't gonna lie. If they like you, they're gonna just approach you and tell you, oh, you know, they're friendly. But where I'm from, oh my God, these women are just like, they're just like, if you don't have money, you don't have muscles, you don't have Pookie and Ray Ray vibes, then they don't want you. You know what I'm saying? If you're a smart, intellectual, young, good-looking black man, they do not want you. You're like Steve Urkel. You're like, yeah, like they look at you like a nerd, like, feel me? And it's like, they just want drama, you know? Yeah, I'm sorry, people, if you feel like I'm going on this rant, but I'm just sitting here, you know? It's the first day of the year, brand new year, and I just really feel like I had high hopes for 2024, but for some reason, I don't know, like year after year after year, I just seen it getting worse and worse. I just feel like, is there really a chance for it to get better? I don't know. I really don't. You know what I mean? I really don't. You know? I really don't, man. So I just sit back, you know, and I talk to myself. That's the only person I got to talk to. I talk to myself, you know, and I have conversations. I be laughing with myself, be mad at myself, we be debating, you know. So I said, let me just get on my phone and just record my voice and just put it out there. And maybe somebody could relate. Just somebody could, you know, understand, or just, you know, understand what a brother is going through. Feel me? That's the times we're in. Parasocial relationships where physical is not even there anymore. It's crazy. You want somebody to physically be there for you, to physically... Right now, there is an epidemic going on with the lack of touch. People, look it up. There are people suffering from lack of touch, man. And I'm one of them. You know what I'm saying? I'm a very sensual being, you know? I have sides in me that I wouldn't just show the world. I want to show somebody special in my life. I want somebody special in my life to show me those things. But, you know, in this superficial, materialistic, parasitic, narcissistic, terroristic world we're living in right now, it just seems like if you're by yourself, a single man, just plan on being single, you know? Just plan on it. Because right now, even for instance, if you get a girlfriend, there's no confirmation that they're going to be around for any amount of time. You know what I'm saying? For a long period of time. You know, anything could happen in that time. People right now are just lying through their teeth. They don't care. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying I can't get a woman. I can. But my standards right now are like my standards are higher than they were before. I'm not just messing with any bomb shikas, with any bitchatrons. I'm not just messing with anybody to just waste my time, you know? If we can't intellectually have conversations that stimulate my mind and, you know, could stimulate me in other places, then I'm not even trying to be around you, you know? And that really gets isolating after a while because you see that 99% of the world is freaking programmed on some old crazy. It's just so weird. It's so weird. I could really see why people are just self-deleting nowadays because this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Listen, I went on for 10 minutes. If you're still here listening, thank you for listening. I'm going to come back with another video another time. Just thank you for listening.